grabe din po yung process nito. Alam mo na, wala naman silang hinihingi sa akin pabalik na, Oliver, will do it for you, but...
Now, because this man is a German boy.
Today, I am officially your son.
Oh! Zum Wohl und alles Gute, congrats and welcome to
our family.
German boy.
Welcome to our family.
Yeah.
A little family, now big family.
No big family.
And we don't give up.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hi, Ka-guys! Welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Ka-guys. Ka-guys, for today's video ay masaya ang puso ko. Good news po ito. Very, very good news and a very big blessings from above. Oh, hindi ko masabi masyado, but alam mo yung may goosebumps pa rin ako while talking to you guys, guys, no, na today, June 17, 2024. So, I know late ko tong ma-post ang vlog na ito. I-relate ko siya. Kasi before ko i-post ang vlog na ito, I need to call my family in the Philippines para hindi nila itong mapanood ang vlog na to. I mean, before mapanood nila ang vlog na to, nasabihan ko na po sila. Okay? Kasi baka ma-disappoint sila, baka masad sila na sinabi ko sa Ka-guys muna before sila. So, sabihan ko po sila tomorrow. So, before ko i-upload to, dapat nasabihan ko na sila at natawagan. Kasi today, June 17, 2024, I am officially German citizen. It's because inadapt po ako ni Ovi at saka ni Egbert. And si Ovi at saka si Egbert ay hindi ko na lang sila boss, kung hindi mga tatay ko na din dito. They are my dads. They're here. Dad's 1, dad's 2. Or dad ko 1, dad ko 2. Okay. I will share to you yung process. I will share to you yung paano nangyari lahat. How it came through. How it goes like this, no? 3 years ago, before ako umuwi na Pilipinas. So, umuwi ako na Pilipinas 2022, di ba? Nagbakasyon ako. So, sa 2022, sa 2023, it's 2024. So, 3 years ago, napagdesisyon na ni Ove at saka ni Egbert na i-adapt ako. Alam mo yun, hindi talaga to nakaplano. Hindi nila nakaplano lahat. And lumabas lang siya. Bigla na lang sila na yung gusto nila. Kasi nung umuwi ako nung umuwi ako, Philippine passport pa ako nun, diba? At saka nag-alala sila, baka hindi na ako makabalik dito, baka makastay lang ako ng Pilipinas, hindi na ako pabalikin dito ng embahada ba sa atin. So, at ayaw kasi nila na mawala ako dito. Kasi nga, isa din sa trusted na ako. At saka, sabi ko sa inyo dati, at saka, I think nakikita nyo din po guys, na they treated me like part of the family, diba? They treated me like a son, a brother. But ngayon, hindi lang treated, but they adopted me na magiging anak nila. So, ako yung nag-iisang anak dito sa Germany. Yes, yung palagi kayo nag-comment ba na, Oliver, baka in the long run, in the near future, magiging anak kanila, baka i-adapt kanila kasi wala naman silang anak. Ganon, ganyan. Tapos yung nagbabasa ako, wow, I hope na ibibigay na to ng Panginoon. Kasi po, while nagko-comment po kayo noon, under process na din po kami noon. But I didn't tell this to you, guys, kasi po, may kasabihan, di ba, baka masuhong, baka ma-negative, baka ma-failed. So, kung ma-field man, at least kami lang nakakaalam, kami lang din masaktan. Though may nakaalam din na ibang mga friends ko, but at least kami lang, hindi talaga lahat, 'di ba? Hindi marami, hindi karamihan. Kasi kapag marami nakakaalam, hindi natin alam yung ibang tao na natuwa ba sila or natuwa inside but natutuwa outside but deep inside is baka hindi sila natuwa, So we need to protect our privacy na din. So grabe din po yung process nito. Marami na alam mo yung pag tumatawag si Over, yung palakasan na ng boses kasi yung tinatawagan niya, yung dapat tutulong sa amin ay hindi magawa kasi po hindi nila alam. Though yun ang trabaho nila, pero hindi nila alam paano ang process. Because one question, inadapt nila ako, 27 years old ako that time. So ngayon is 29 ako. Ay, 27, hindi. Pa 27 ako that time, so 26 years old ako, pa 27 ako. So ngayon is 29 ako. Yung time na adapt ako. Kasi dumati ako ng German is 23, di ba? So 23, 24, 25, 26. So after 3 years noon, 26 years and half ko, dun yung time na processing na. At saka, second, ang mahal ng bayad ng lawyer namin. Tsaka babalik pa kami, punta kami sa lawyer doon. Nag-vlog nga ako dati, napupunta kami ng lawyer kasi ganito, and then, na-delete ko lang yun guys, at hindi ko din po siya na-upload, kasi sabi ko kasi, dati baka hindi ito mangyari, no? So, dinilit ko yun dati, sayang. I think it was 2022 yun, 2022. So, nakita ko man yung papel ba no na, yung resibo, yung papel kasi, sinend kasi lahat sa akin, then kapag isend nila kay boss, sila boss, sila sa akin by email. So binasa ko dun, Diyos ko, ang mahal pala ng magbayad ka ng, hindi lang sa lawyer ka magbayad, but also of course, sa itong process na to, sa government ata, yes, government magbayad ka. Alam mo yung ang pera na yun ka guys, yung halaga ng pera na yun, kung natin sa peso, makabili na ng mansion. Makabili na ng mansion, super laking bahay sa Pilipinas, ang halaga na yun. But alam mo po yun, tinaya yun nila boss. Kasi po guys, I think, even if it's negative or positive ang outcome noon, hindi na nila mababawi yung pera na yun. So alam mo, binigay nila boss yung, kung anong meron sila, ano yung pera na naipon nila, may, pa sila dati, may bininta pa sila before kasi kailangan ng cash, 'di ba? Hindi man pwede hulugan 'yun. So kailangan ng cash, and then sila boss wala pang cash that time. So kailangan bayaran siya right away. Kailangan ipakita sa government na sila boss ay meron talaga silang kakayahan na mag-adapt at magpalaki ng bata. Ako 'yun. At meron talaga silang pera sa bangko nila. So, kailangan malaki ang pera sa bangko nila. So, kailangan magbenta din sila ng iba pang ari-arian nila. Like, for example, yung ibang sasakyan nila, yung ibang properties nila, yung lupa, bininta na nila para may bank statement ba at saka bayad pa yung super laki. Hindi ko na banggitin, but pagkita ko po nung pagbasa ko, huy, yung mata ko kakaya, masabi ko, huy, ang laki naman ito, makabili na naman itong mansion sa Pilipinas. Uy, ito sila boss, tinaya talaga nila. Alam mo, kung pwede itaya ang buhay, tinaya na nila kagis ba? So, sabi ko, Lord, grabe naman yung pagmamahal nila boss sa akin, pagmamahal ni Ove sa akin, Egbert, walang katumbas, alam mo yung priceless na, ginawa nila to na walang hinihingi, unconditional. Ito yung masasabi ko na unconditional love. Yes, unconditional love ang binibigay ng Diyos sa atin. Pero ito sila din, kung dito man sa universe, sila din yung nagbibigay sa akin nun na, grabe din yun na. Alam mo yung, sinabi ni Ove sa akin, Egbert, na, Oliver, ibibinta namin itong properties na to kasi hindi na naman namin to kailangan at wala hindi na mapakinabangan, and then we need money right now kasi ibayad natin dito sa lawyer, at saka ang mahal ng lawyer ka guys, at saka sa government At saka sa bank statement, kailangan may pera tayo dyan kasi tingnan nila kung may kakayahan talaga sila. At saka nagsulat pa, ang daming sulat para pag-imimki talaga sinulat ni Uwe nun. Siya talaga nagsulat whole day. Hindi pa nga naubos whole day. 1 week talaga sulat nun kasi nga kailangan ng statement na si Oliver, paano ako nakapunta dito, bakit na-adapt yung pagkain ko dito, tirahan ko dito, pati wifi dito ka guys, sinabi na rin, libre lahat, yung kuryente, tubig, libre sila ang magbayad lahat, pagkain, lahat, sinabi na dun ka, which is true yun, na ilagay talaga, kasi basahin niya ng lawyer yung mag-approve, no? So sabi ko pa na, grabe naman talaga sila, na alam mo na, wala naman silang hinihingi sa akin pabalik na, Oliver, will do it for you, but alam mo yun, yung walang but na sinabi na, yeah, I will adapt you, we will adapt you, but you need to do this for us. Wala silang sinabi ka guys na, wala silang sinambat, wala silang sinabi sa akin na, ito ang dapat na kapalit na gagawin mo. Never. Nakakita din kasi nila sa akin na, kung gaano ako trabaho dito sa bahay, gaano ako na binigay ko din yung dugot pawis ko dito na walang pagrereklamo na alam mo yung binigay lahat na kung anong kakayahan meron ako, kung ano yung kaalaman meron ako ka guys. And hindi ko naman sinabi kanila na Ove, Egbert, i-adapt nyo na lang ako kasi wala akong parents, pero sila mismo naggawa nun kasi nga alam naman nila wala akong mama, wala akong papa, bata pa ako, namatay na yung parents ko. So after nun, nagkanya-kanya na kaming buhay ng magkapatid ko, and then now bata pa ako nun, wala akong parents, but na binigyan ako ng 2 tatay sa Germany ko. Lord, thank you. So, hindi ko alam talaga kung saan ako magsisimula na magsabi sa inyo at magpasalamat sa inyo. At number 1 naman sa Panginoong Hesus. Kinabos. Dati, inisip ko lang na paano kaya ano kayang feelings na meron tayong parents na mag-alalaga, na they are watching you while growing up. Merong parents na magpapamper sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Iniisip ko lang dati guys, but now, binigay ng Diyos. God is watching us talaga guys, no? Kung ano yung mga desire natin. For as long as our intention is pure, no? Na walang halong biro, walang halong masama, ibibigay talaga ng Diyos. Kailangan ko na pong i-change lahat at meron na rin akong bagong birth certificate dito sa Germany. Yung address ko dito, but yung pinanganak ako same pa rin dati. And lahat yung sa health insurance ko, sa bank ko, sa pension ko, yung binabayaran ko monthly na mga insurance, papalitan siya lahat. And I will show you the Einborgerungsurkunde. Ito. Nakalagay dito. Ito yung original. So, yung babae kasi doon, ano siya ng copy. Ito, copy na lang to. Ito yung original kasi iba yung kulay niya. So, ito. Wow, grabe. Alam niyo yung process. Alam mo, maraming hindi maraming nagtaas ng kilay. Yung pag magsasabi sila, boss, na sa mga friends nila, na i-adapt ako. Nagtaas ng kilay kagas, nakita ko yun. But, sabi ni boss, we will never give up, Oliver, until we will succeed. At saka, sabi kasi nila, kasi di ba may edad na ako, normally kasi kapag mag-adapt ay nung bata pa, 18 years old, below, ako ay 26, ako in-adapt nila. So, mahirapan. Doon, meron naman talaga siyang chance kapag ilaban mo talaga. Kagaya ngayon, di ba, na nilaban namin, so, nangyari siya. So, lahat ng mga beneficiaries ng mga German ay makukuha ko. Kung ano yung mga German ay ako na din. So, hindi na ako mapalayas, hindi na ako mapadeport dito sa Germany because I am now German citizen. But po, kagas, hindi naman doon magtatapos ang aking pagiging Pinoy. Pinoy pa rin po ako. Puso't isipan ko, Pinoy pa rin ako. Dugo ko. Pati pawis ko siguro, Pinoy pa rin. Ang hindi lang Pinoy ay yung papeles ko, yung passport ko, mga important documents natin, at yung mga kapatid ko pa rin sila sa puso't isipan at dugo ko pa rin sila. Pero sa mga papel, hindi ko na sila kapatid doon po. Guys, so, if my parents are still alive, no, are they proud of me right now? Are they proud of me, of what I have become? Are they happy? No? So, soon, bukas, gagawa ako ng video call, maggawa ako ng group chat sa mga kapatid ko na lahat kami doon at sabihin ko po sa kanila doon na about this adoption. And sabihin ko din po sa inyo, mag-vlog ako that time kung ano mga reaction nila. I didn't know I don't know kasi po hindi ko pa talaga nasabi sa kanila ito. And patawad po mga kapatid kasi po gusto lang namin nila, boss. Sabi kasi ni boss, wag muna natin sabihin. Sabihin muna natin kapag it's officially done, kapag andyan na, di ba? Thank you, Lord, for the blessings, for the unconditional love. Thank you. And kay boss Kuan, boss ko to, hindi ko na masabing boss ko to. So, sa papa ko dito sa Germany. Thank you so much. Marami pa akong gustong sabihin sa inyo guys na iniisip-isip ko kanina na anong dapat sabihin ko sa vlog. Pero ngayon namin black ako kasi po nakaiyak. Umiyak ko kanina, nag-goosebumps ako. Kaya kapag magsabi ka pala no, na mawala, pat sabihin ko din po soon. So after 3 years, after 3 weeks, makakuha ko na po yung passport ko, German passport, tsaka yung ID ko, German ID. Lahat, makuha ko na po siya. And itong passport ko sa Pilipinas, ay i-give up po siya. No way. Ito talaga yung sinasabi na nagiging foreigner sa sariling bayan. But, you know, sometimes life happens, diba? Sometimes, alam ko na sa ganitong situation ko, hindi naman ako nag-isa. Meron pa namang iba dyan. Meron namang marami pa naman dyan, hindi lang ako. At sa billions of people, isa din ako doon na nakaranas ng ganito, naka-experience ng ganito. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. And I am beyond happy po sa lahat. At sa mga friends ko po na nasabihan ko dati na i-adapt ako, mga closest friends ko na sabihan ko na po si Harvey, ngayon bago lang, kasi at saka si Mami Rose, nasabihan ko na i-adapt na ako, na-approve na, super happy ni Mami Rose, Kuya Martin, at saka si Harvey talaga yung unang super happy siya yung una ko nasabihan. At saka si tita ng Davao, tita, sorry hindi ko po nasabi sa inyo, but ito sa vlog, sana mapanood mo po ito, tita at tito. Hindi ko po nasabi sa inyo because I just want to surprise you guys. Kaya hindi ko na sinabi sa messenger. Sorry. Sila din po yung, si tita, nakakaalam yan natin na i-adapt ako labas yung processing pa. Nagtatanong ako sa kanya about sa lawyer. Siya yung nakakaalam siya nung umuwi ako. At saka, ngayon, sa team ko, I think yung iba masusurprise na lang din. Ito. Oh, German na ako. Black ako guys. Sorry. Guys, today is June 17, 2024. Okay? So today, we're going to Rathaus, or it's a municipal. It's called municipal in Germany, because we have a schedule with Bosco 1 with Uwe. Ako lang dapat naman ang may schedule doon, pero sumama lang po siya sa akin para mas maklaro at para mas maintindihan, para siya naman din mag-explain for me. Meron ako hindi maintindihan, okay? So today, hindi ko lang po alam kung ngayon ba talaga, but yung nagtrabaho kasi sa sa Rathaus, munisipyo dito, papuntahin ako doon kasi kailangan ng perma ko, signature ko, at kailangan i-give up ko yung old ID ko dito sa Germany, yung residence permit ko, di ba may ID ako kinuha doon sa foreign authority sa Siegen, yun, i-give up ko yun, at saka kasi today I will become a German citizen. No? Because Uwe and Egbert is Bosco 1 is Bosco 2 is now my father. Father Earth.
Mein Gott.
But I will going to explain to you everything, but not right now. Okay ka guys, I will explain to you everything kung bakit na ganito, bakit inadapt ako nila. I will explain to you, okay? Not now kasi po excited kami ngayon na magpunta doon, i-give up ko yung mga old papers ko para makakuha ako ng German citizen and German passport. Also German Reise Pass, no? German passport. I can have it. At saka, yung apelido ko ay Kagas, ay maiba na din. Apelido na ni Uwe ang makuha ko, ang mailagay doon sa bagong passport ko, bago and everything. So, kapag pupunta ko ng Pilipinas, magiging foreigner na po ako doon. Naku, Ginoo ko, nagiging foreigner ako sa sarili kong bayan, sarili kong bansa. Nagiging foreigner, di ba? May kanta yun. Then again, yun ang nangyari, but pusong Pinoy pa rin po ako, hindi yan mawawala sa atin. And ngayon po, punta na ako doon.
Ngayon auch noch.
But explain ko rin sa inyo. At ngayon, June 17, hindi ko to ma-post agad ngayon kasi it's a documentary po, step by step, para everything is okay. But I will explain to you later. Let's go. Now, baba na kami.
Jetzt muss ich noch das andere Siegel holen.
Das hier, Bundesrepublik Deutschland. Das Farbe ist grün, no? Das ist grün, no?
Das ist grün. So. So. Jetzt brauche ich noch mal den Stift.
Ach so.
So, jetzt mache ich noch Kopien davon, damit wir das auch schön schwarz auf weiß haben. So, das ist jetzt deine Einbürgerungsurkunde. Die musst du gut aufheben. Ja, die begleitet dich immer. Ja, die stecke ich dir jetzt mal hier rein. Dann habe ich dir jetzt einfach mal noch 2 Kopien gemacht.
Also das ist die Original.
Das ist das Original. Kannst du ein bisschen an der Farbe erkennen. Ja?
Das Original kommt in Safe und die Farbkopie kommt neben deine Ausbildungsbescheinigung.
Genau. Und da können wir das jetzt reintun.
Hat die beim Bett hängen.
Ja, schön. So, jetzt müssen wir noch ein bisschen weitermachen. Das war jetzt das eine. Jetzt bist du ja deutscher Staatsangehöriger. Und in Deutschland hat der Papa einen Vornamen und einen Familiennamen. Eine Unterschrift mit Oliver Gemmecker.
Das ist mein Name.
Aber Gemmecker.
Den neuen Namen.
Den neuen.
Alle Augen gucken auf dich, natürlich.
Oliver.
Er übt noch, wie er das G macht.
Ja.
Mein Vater hat eine wunderschöne Unterschrift.
Geht aber sehr gut. Super. So.
Ko guys, oh my god. Pero na dito ka guys, nakita niyo naman kanina.
Gemmecker.
Oliver Gemmecker. Yung apelido ko po ay Gemmecker na po, hindi na Kagas. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo ha, ito. Bundesrepublik Deutschland, Einbürgerungsurkunde. So, Nagpirma na ako doon, nag-signature na ako doon, but I need to wait 3 weeks para makuha ko yung passport ko. German passport at saka German ID ko. Tsaka kailangan napalitan lahat ng pangalan ko sa aking health insurance, sa aking pension, lahat ng nakaano ako, lahat papalitan. Lahat ng mga ano ko rito, mga insurance, lahat papalitan na. Tapos sa bangko ko din, papalitan na din po iyon. Lahat papalitan ka guys. So, kailangan i-inform namin lahat ng mga kung saan yun. So, magpadala kayo sa akin. Pwede pa naman kagas. Hindi, palitan ko na din. Para sure na ako talaga ang makatanggap. So, anyway, emotional makabikin na ka guys. So, babalik ako ngayon, sa Wednesday. Babalik ako doon. It's because dalhin ko yung passport ko pala na old, pakita ko sa kanya, ibigay ko sa kanya pala, naiwan namin, so okay lang. Oo. At saka magbili din kami ng surprise para yung sa gumagawa sa amin ba, siya talaga yung naglakad. Sabi niya naman trabaho daw niya yun, pero iba pa rin yung trabaho, at bigyan mo pa sila ng pasalamat. Mag-ano kami ni Uwe ko anong ibigay namin. So guys, kung nakita nyo po, meron tayo ditong Zect. Hindi po 7, kung hindi Zect. So, wow. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. And today we're going to celebrate my German citizenship in Germany. Yay! So I am now...
Guys, I can tell you, my job is done now, because this man is a German boy. Today we have the 17th of June 2024. It's a very interesting,
Special day.
and special, yes, special also day, because Oliver get a German passport.
And it's not only German passport, but today I am officially your son.
Oh!
So you are now my father.
The important is Oliver get a German pass. He can go everywhere, and
You, and you are also.
and so we want to drink a special drink also.
So today, June 17th, it's a birthday of Harvey. What is today in Germany also? Einheit.
Tag der deutschen Einheit war das von 1953.
Yeah. Ah, you're happy. Come here. Come here. Come here.
1953 bis 2000.
Si Andy, gusto din, no? Kapag maganito, party pa, mag-celebrate kami sa Andy, hindi talaga din magpapaano.
And because my job is done, I have old clothes, it's all over now.
And Egbert is now my father.
Andy auch. Welcome to Germany.
Welcome to Germany.
Mach den Hund noch.
Grabe no ko, if I count my blessings this year, I passed my Ausbildung, I passed my hotel management,
Yes.
and the approval of the adoption. Okay, you fought this adoption 3 years ago.
Yes.
3 years ago, no? After all the process, it was so tough.
It was a big fight with the Ausländerbehörde. Zum Wohl. But now everything is forgotten.
Okay, komm hier ein bisschen.
Ja, hallo, ich bin auf meinem Kopf gar nicht drauf. Nur mein Bauch ist drauf.
So, da.
Ja. Zum Wohl und alles Gute, congrats and welcome
to our family.
German boy.
Welcome to our family. A little family, now big family.
No big family.
Waldmeister. Lecker, oder?
So, my daddy in Germany.
Oliver has a new name.
Come here.
You know, a new name. Do
Yeah,
you
like-
want to tell guys how do you call after this day?
Okay.
And the car guys?
This is Harvey. The husband is Harvey. Oh, now so Oliver will not call. He don't call. Hey, car guys anymore.
Nee, G guys.
God. Gay guys.
G guys. G guys.
Oh,
G guys.
G guys.
Stilzchen, ich betrinke mich jetzt. Mein
Thank you.
Gott.
Thank you. After 3 years of fighting, you.
3 years. It was beyond this 7 years.
Yeah, 7 years. 7 years.
Yes.
Norway has no hair.
On 1st May.
We lost our hair.
2024, Oliver was 6 years here in Germany. And after this day, we fight for everything. In the 7th year.
Oh.
The 7 years not over, but the 365 days are shorter. 1 month and 17 days. You know?
Okay.
You guys, what I know.
But you had a fight before, no, with the Ausländer Behörde because
All fights, everything is.
because they are not listening. They don't want to make it. They are afraid to make it. No, but he said no. He put in the phone call.
The bad.
Every day stress.
We have a bad woman, and
And if you know
A
how
bad
to
woman.
come to Germany, you can ask him. Now he knows everything.
I want to write a book, maybe a series, because it's so many things we have to tell about Oliver's trip to Germany. It was not easy to bring him to Germany. 2.5 years we are fighting for a visa, and if he is here, I was sick. I have a sickness, and I never think about that this day can come.
Yeah, no. I didn't know that today is coming.
But the day is.
You planned it before. You two planned it before, but I didn't realize that it's coming now. No.
Oliver say, God don't want that I come to Germany. To you.
Oh, he was crying. In the beginning he was crying.
Oh, never give up. Never give up.
Yeah, never.
Never give up.
Yeah, that's the motto of Over. Oliver, if we have stress, if I said that, oh, we cannot make it anymore because a lot of stress, they don't want us, but Over have a good spirit. He said, Oliver, never give up.
Yes, and we don't give up.
Until
And
today.
now we have everything.
It's really worth it.
Our-
Same you do at your Ausbildung.
It's the same, yeah, in my apprenticeship, no, my hotel management, I didn't
Our
give up
dreams come true.
today.
Thank you, God.
Oh.
Thank you, God. So I am now officially German citizen. Woo! But I need to wait the passport, no, German passport.
Oh.
They will send us
Can you get that?
after 3 weeks.
Wait,
Oh.
wait.
And you are happy over Egbert?
Yes, of course. I'm so happy. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh.
The citizens of Germany are Bürger. Bürger are people who live here, who are
Not the burger,
Germans. No,
Not.
are Germans. And if you want to get a German, you have to make an Einbürgerungsantrag. And this one is
The
the
certificate.
I show you
The original
the original
paper.
Einbürgerungsurkunde from.
You guys.
Ich weiß jetzt nicht mehr, welches das Original ist oder werden.
But I showed the video that you made it
So,
before, no? Du oder sie?
So.
Die Frau hat gesagt, du oder sie? Die Frau, die Monika Treude?
Monika.
So, Oliver, du oder sie? Du, no?
Yeah, because now you are a German.
Yeah.
All
So
the
now you
all-
drink a glass more and then you sing the German hymn.
Einigkeit und Recht und Freiheit.
Ich weiß noch nicht. The song, the national anthem Germany, I don't know. My God. If I go to vacation in the Philippines or other
You need a
countries,
visa if you go to the Philippines because
yeah,
you are German.
tourist visa.
Yeah.
But it's easy. But it's
To
easy
get it
because
easy, to get it easy.
because I heard that German passport is the strongest passport
Yes.
in the whole world.
Yes. Maybe not in China.
You can go everywhere.
Not in China. Second world's yeah.
Hast du noch gar nichts getrunken?
So.
Oh, ich bin happy.
Hier sind Hundehaare schon.
Oh. So.
My God.
Komm
Thank
her.
you. Woo!
Ich weiß nicht, wie viel Umdrehung das hat, aber ich spüre schon.
Dann geht man ins Bett.
And it's not easy, no, because you need to pay a lot, no, also the payment.
You need a lawyer.
Lawyer,
Very
Expensive.
expensive.
lawyer. And we were in the family garage.
Oh.
And what did I answer? What did I say? Ich kenne es nicht.
The lawyer asked, Richter ist auch Lawyer.
Yeah, Richter.
Richter.
The family justice.
Yeah.
2 years ago. 2 years ago.
3 years ago. Ask Oliver, and you are happy in this family? And Oliver say, I don't know these people.
And
And the man,
The family
he
give-
don't laugh, he was shocked. He was shocked because in 40 years of his job and make the things, he never hears something like this.
and then ich hab,
Ich kenne diese Leute nicht.
I answered, and these people want to other people. and he hat gesagt, he said, who is this people?
Ich kenne diese Leute nicht, ja. Da war er geschockt.
Thank you.
So.
Good.
And now we make a private time.
Yes.
Yeah.
We say bye bye,
For
you
now.
guys.
G guys. Bye bye G guys for now.